Hello class, this is Miss Stock, and I would just like to take a moment to show you my YouTube channel. I will be making sure to upload here frequently for your help. To start off, I don't have any videos currently on my page, but hopefully I can change that pretty soon. If you go to playlists, you can see that I have 3 playlists currently for you to use. We have tools for English, tools for subtraction, and then tools for addition. So if you go under the English one, we have MLA, conjunctions, that music video we watched in class, just some tools for you to be able to better work on your English projects. And then for tools for addition and subtraction, these have a similar situation where it's showing you how to do things that we have learned in class. If you maybe don't understand something, I'll make sure to add more Khan Academy videos that better explain it. Moving on to videos. Like I said, I don't have any currently, but I'm hoping to be able to upload videos for E-days, or if you are out sick, hopefully I can have some lessons on here for you to, kind of catch up on any information that you missed in class. Now, going on to channels. I have subscribed to a few, but I will make sure to add more. Khan Academy, which I mentioned before, it is a great resource for any of your mathematical needs. And then the Jack Hartman's Kids Music channel, which he makes a bunch of great videos to help you with counting and addition and just some math in general. So for the discussion and the about section, I won't use these as much, but just to give you an idea, if I do, I may ask a question here, like what was the answer to 21 minus 10? And then you could kind of respond as a class to that question below. That is all I have to show you today. I hope this was helpful. You can subscribe to Emily Stock, and that is all. I will see you in class.